Fine. Okay, but today we're going to go to Advent of. So this is a yearly thing that occurs. There is we're gonna make it quick today. But 12 puzzles each day of September. This one comes out in 38 minutes actually. So we're gonna do the first one. I haven't done them yet, but we're gonna do each of them. Just kind of have fun doing them. Doing this maybe on an extra day, maybe bring an extra day on the stream. Biggest thing, and I read through this earlier today, but the bad news: they have a different emergency. According to the research planning, none of them have time to decorate the North Pole. So we need to finish decorating by December. So collect stars by solving each puzzle. 2 puzzles will be made available on each day. The second puzzle is unlocked when you complete the puzzle grant luck. So the password seems to have changed due to new security protocols. The password is locked in the attached document for the new combination. So it says the DAO starts at pointing at all the instructions which are recently required official North Pole secret entrance security training seminar taught you that the safe is actually decreased. The actual password is the number of times the dial is left, pointing at 0 after any rotation in the sequence. So this is the rotation, then it's 3 times because it's left at 0 3 times. And it's a circle. So basically, at 99, if you click it one more to the right, it's 0. At 1, click it 2 times to the left, it's 99, right? So, and it's safe. But the dial is open at 3 total times. The password example is 3. What's the actual password? So I've already done this, so let's make sure. To begin, get the puzzle input. Copy this. So as you can see, there's a lot of them, but we're gonna do EDD basically all of these advents of codes. Makes it super simple. Let's first go 1. Nice. Name. Day 1. Tests. Okay, go. So then let's define day 1. So, first part we're gonna do is define the input. So this is a simple struct. We'll add it as a class. We could public class safe input instruction, public class instruction. This is going to have a public bool left, because I guess no, let's do is right. Public bool. Now it's gonna be a public int, right? Because there's only ever 1 to 99. Public int jump. I don't know, interval. Yeah, interval. And this is gonna be an integer from one to just make it 0 just in case there is a input that is required that's like that. Okay, so we have a list of instructions. So each one of this, you get a public int, because this is going to be the answer. So get safe password. For each instruction is right, interval. That's exactly what I was going to do. Wrap on a 99, and it starts at 50. And let's take in a int starting. just so it is a actual starting position. And this is actually getting, oh, okay, interesting. So this is actually not even getting the thing for each one. Instruction, right. So I need to get the number times the position. And I guess it's num times it 0. So then position equals 0. And return num times hit 0. Okay. Pull this out to class. Factoring, convert, factoring type. Okay. So let's do public. Okay, so let's do sample good 3. Okay, so then public record test. This should get sent. So, and then we need to add a parser, basically an instructor, to read in a list of files. And the way, so actually, let's do this as public class. So let's switch that, do that, do that, do that. So, oh, that, because this needs to have a constructor where I read in a string instruction. It leads in a string, a line, then line, because if L68, so it's the first character, line, bar, first character, yep, and then interval equals int.parseLine. Let's do a try parse here. So this is int.try parse. If try parse else throw new instructor. Perfect. So now here, then let's add in day 1, add item, day 1 put, okay, cool. Properties, action, copy if newer. Okay, so then let's say let's do, so I need to read in the file using var stream equals var input file file stream let's do that. Day 1 direct so then let's if file dot direct this, let's do what is it, file info, so day 1 /1 file does not exist, console write line write lines, file lines. Nice. Okay, and then list of instructions lines dot select new instruction to list selection on you. Okay, then console dot write line to the var day 1 equals day 1. The password or the result for day 1 is day 1 dot get safe password instruct. Okay, that should be it. And let's just do day 1 tests, make sure this gets right. So this var instruction equals, so let's do okay. Off soon. Notepad. This, that. Formatting the file in the right way. Hopefully, this, there. Parse is a list of string. Pop you more. Okay, strings, new day 1, 50. New day 1. One dot R. Let's just do this. Day 1. This, whatever. Day 1 service. Okay, there we go. Program, good. On tests. So then instructions, string, var instructions. Okay. Hopefully this all works. So then this is L68, L30. Okay, so go to TDD. Correct answer. Right. Advent of code tests. Example should return. Didn't return 3. So what did it return? It returned 0. Okay, so let's make sure instructions are correct. Let's make sure our day one's bug. Line is L68. Right is false. Roll is 68. Right. So let's go through this. So instructions is false. True. 5. False. 1 false. False. R4 true. L82. So 37. L68. So position plus equal right. Interval. So I have it backwards. Backwards. Okay. It's funny it doesn't actually show if it's that. Starting position. The starting position is also being at 5 doesn't. Not 50 there. I mean, this isn't much faster than my console, but TDD is cool. Not that we really time. Okay. Position Q. So position is right. False. So we did so minus 68. So position 50. Now left. Point at 82 up. Yeah, I know it's better. Okay. So there we go with the next one. Program. Let's run it. Not found. Let's do directory.get current directory. That file does not exist. Directory.current directory. Intermediates. Course. Repos. Advent of code. Advent of code. In not 10. Day one. Day one input dot text. Nice. Dot tx. Pass that now. Go. Instruction 4,060 long. Plug that. Well, for day 1,100. Oh, 100? 7,100. That's the right answer. Get 1 gold star closer to decorating the